I would like to show you how to create a YouTube channel now. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Gmail account. And once you're logged into your Gmail account, you'll come over to the upper right-hand side, the top right-hand side, and you will see you've got these Google Apps here. It looks like a little checkerboard right here. All of these little dots, you'll click on your Google Apps and you'll look for YouTube right here and click on YouTube. So once YouTube opens up, then what you will do is, well, I need to get into my right account here. So I'll get into my account that I want to create. There it is. So make sure you're in the right account. And now I will create a new YouTube channel. So you'll click right here in the, once again, in the upper right hand side. And once you click on here, you'll see this, the very top one, it says create a channel. So that's one that we want to do, is create a new channel. Okay, and this will just take a second here. So while I am making my new channel, there it is. So your creator journey begins. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. And I need to look at this. So it says use your name or use a custom name. What I'd like for you guys to do is to make a custom name, but please don't use your first and last name. So please make a custom name here, and whatever you'd like to call it. So let's see, Hikakin. What should I call it? Guitars. There we go. Okay, so I understand that I am creating a new Google account. Yes. And so this is going to be your channel name, whatever you want to call it here, but just please don't use your actual name. And then I'll go ahead and create my new channel here. This should just take a couple of minutes, as long as somebody doesn't already have the name Hikakin Guitars. Okay, so it says nice work. Your channel has now been created. You can upload a picture if you want to. And we can go ahead and get started now. So again, in the upper right hand side, you'll click. It should allow me to do that. Oh, I guess I have to upload a picture first. Okay, so you'll go ahead and you can upload any picture that you like. And I think I'll use, let's see here. I can always change it again later. So I'll give myself a picture there. Oh, okay. So you can tell yourself, tell your viewers about your channel. So I will play guitar. There we go. You can add in your website. We don't have a website yet, but we will create one later and add your URL. And we're not going to be using Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can set that up later if you want to. So I'm going to save and continue right now. And this should have created my YouTube channel. Looks like we're just waiting for it to come through. And there we go. I am ready to go. I've got Hikakin Guitars. No subscribe.